Heat lightning. It is any lightning or lightning-induced illumination that is too far away for thunder to be heard. Heat lightning got its name because it is often seen on hot summer nights, a time when thunderstorms are common. Sprites, or electrical discharges that occur high above active thunderstorms. Sprites appear as vertical red column extending up to 60 miles from the cloud top and have been found to occur in conjunction. Their shape has been described as resembling columns, carrots or jellyfish. Blue jets. These emerge from the top of the thundercloud, extending up in narrow cones fanning out, and disappearing at heights of 25 to 35 miles. Blue jets last just a fraction of a second. Anvil crawler. These are tree-like, horizontally moving icy lightning discharges which tend to appear along the underside of thunderstorm anvils. Bolts from the blue, a name given to a cloud-to-ground lightning discharge that strikes far away from its parent, thunderstorm. It typically originates in the highest regions of a cumulonimbus cloud, traveling horizontally a good distance away from the thunderstorm before making a vertical descent to Earth. Bead lightning. It is the name given to the decaying stage of a lightning channel, which cools after a return stroke and its luminosity breaks up into segments. Ribbon. It occurs in thunderstorms with high cross winds and many return strokes. The wind blows each successive return stroke sideways into the previous return stroke, causing a ribbon effect. Ball lightning. It is an unexplained phenomenon described as luminescent, spherical objects that vary from pea-sized to several meters in diameter. Ball lightnings are said to last considerably longer than the split-second flash of a lightning bolt, and are a distinct phenomenon. Catatumbo lightning. It is named for the river that flows into the lake. Over this bay off the Caribbean Sea in northwestern Venezuela, lightning storms take over the skies almost every night of the year. Lake Maracaibo has the highest concentration of lightning on Earth thanks to a combination of heat, humidity, air currents and the mountainous landscape. At night, lightning strikes Lake Maracaibo about 28 times a minute for up to 9 hours.